everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel TNV Academy. I'm Akanksha Mishra and let's start with today's session. The United Nations Sustainable Development Goals are among the most powerful promises ever made by humanity. They talk about ending poverty, protecting the planet, ensuring good health, gender equality, and building peaceful institutions. Yet, years after their adoption, many people are asking a simple but uncomfortable question. Why is progress so slow? The answer is not a lack of intention. The problem is that SDGs are goals, not systems. They describe what the world wants, but not how organizations should operate every day to achieve them. This is exactly where ISO standards step in. ISO standards transform SDGs from visionary statements into practical, manageable, and measurable actions. Now, understanding the nature of SDGs, vision without a toolkit. SDGs were designed to unite the world under a shared vision. They intentionally avoid detailed operational instructions so that countries can adapt them to their own realities. However, this flexibility creates a gap between ambition and execution. Without the structured processes, clear responsibilities, measurable indicators, and accountability mechanisms, SDGs risk becoming policy documents rather than lived practices. This gap is not a failure of the SDGs, it is a design choice. ISO standards exist to fill this exact gap. Now, what ISO standards really do? ISO standards provide internationally agreed frameworks that help organizations manage quality, environment, safety, energy, information security, ethics, and risk. They are not about bureaucracy, they are about control, consistency, and continual improvement. ISO standards convert values into procedures, intentions into processes, and commitments into evidence. They create a common language that allows organizations across different countries and sectors to work toward the same outcomes in a structured way. From goals to systems, the ISO advantage. SDGs answer the question, what should we achieve? But ISO answers the question, how do we manage ourselves to achieve it? ISO standards introduce management disciplines such as risk-based thinking, defined roles and responsibilities, documentation, performance monitoring, audits, and corrective actions. These elements are essential for turning sustainability into daily operational behavior rather than occasional campaigns. ISO 9001, quality management as the backbone of SDG delivery. Quality management is the foundation of sustainable development. ISO 9001 helps organizations deliver consistent services, reduce errors, and improve customer and stakeholder satisfaction. When applied to SDGs, ISO 9001 ensures that health services are reliable. SDG 3. Education systems deliver learning outcomes, that is SDG 4, and infrastructure projects are completed efficiently, that is SDG 9. Without quality systems, even well-funded SDG initiatives fail due to poor execution. Then we have ISO 14001, turning environmental goals into daily practice. SDG 12, responsible consumption, and SDG 13, climate action, requires more than environmental awareness. They require environmental control. ISO 14001 provides a structured environmental management system that helps organizations identify environmental impacts, comply with regulations, reduce waste, and improve resource efficiency. Instead of symbolic sustainability claims, ISO 40001 makes environmental responsibility measurable and auditable. ISO 50001, making clean energy a management decision. SDG 7 focuses on affordable and clean energy. ISO 50001 transforms energy efficiency from a technical issue into a management responsibility. By tracking energy use, setting targets, and improving efficiency, organizations reduce emissions and cost simultaneously. ISO 50001 proves that climate action and business performance can go hand in hand. Now ISO 45001, protecting workers while supporting decent work. SDG 8 promotes decent work and economic growth. ISO 45001 supports this goal by creating safer workplaces, reducing accidents, and protecting workers' physical and mental health. Safe work environments increase productivity, reduce absenteeism, and improve employee morale. ISO 45001 turns work of safety from a legal obligation into a leadership responsibility. Now we have ISO 37001, fighting corruption to strengthen institutions. SDG 16 calls for peace, justice, and strong institutions. ISO 37001 provides a formal anti-bribery management system that helps organizations prevent, detect, and respond to corruption. By implementing risk assessments, controls, reporting mechanisms, and investigations, ISO 37001 transforms ethical intentions into enforceable systems. Strong institutions are built on transparency, not trust alone. Now ISO 27001 and 27701. Trust in the digital age. As societies digitize, data security and privacy becomes essential for sustainable development. ISO 27001 supports secure digital infrastructure, contributing to SDG 9, Industry Innovation Infrastructure. ISO 27701 strengthens privacy protection, supporting SDG 16 and public trust. Without secure and trusted digital systems, innovation cannot be sustainable. Now ISO 22000, food safety and the fight against hunger. SDG 2 aims to end hunger and ensure food security. ISO 22000 provides a food safety management system that protects consumers, reduces foodborne illness, and strengthens food supply chains. By preventing contamination and waste, ISO 22000 directly supports nutrition, public health, and agricultural sustainability. Then we have ISO 22301, building resilient societies. SDG 11 focuses on sustainable cities and communities. ISO 22301 helps organizations plan for disruptions such as disasters, pandemics, and cyber incidents. Business continuity planning ensures essential services continue during crisis. Resilience is not accidental, it is planned. Then we have ISO 26000, social responsibility. Beyond compliance, ISO 26000 provides guidance on ethical behavior, human rights, labor practices, environmental responsibility, and community engagement. It directly supports SDGs related to inequality, gender equality, and partnerships. ISO 26000 helps organizations move beyond legal compliance toward genuine social responsibility. Now audits, the bridge between claims and reality. One of the most powerful contributions of ISO standards is auditability. Audits require evidence, not promises. They identify gaps, enforce accountability, and drive continual improvement. While SDGs encourage reporting, ISO audits ensure credibility. This is how ISO protects SDGs from becoming marketing slogans. 2030 and beyond. Why ISO is more relevant than ever. As the SDG deadline approaches, the focus is shifting from promises to proof. Organizations and countries that integrate ISO standards are better prepared to demonstrate real progress. ISO ensures continuity beyond political cycles and leadership changes, making sustainability permanent rather than temporary. ISO as the operating system of the SDGs. SDGs define the destination. ISO defines the operating system that gets us there. One without the other is incomplete. ISO standards do not replace SDGs, they activate them. by converting vision into structure, ethics into systems, and ambition into action. ISO standards turn global goals into everyday reality. Sustainable development does not happen by intention alone. It happens through systems, and ISO provides those systems. Thanks for watching this detailed session, and I, Akanksha Mishra, will see you in the next episode of TNV Academy. Until then, like, share, and subscribe to TNV Academy for more such informative videos.